Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda CRV key fob. First, you'll need to determine if you're replacing the battery or the entire fob. Understanding your specific fob model is crucial for getting the right components. We'll cover the simple steps to open the casing, replace the battery, and then discuss programming a new fob if needed. This guide will help you get your key fob working perfectly again. Replacing the battery is usually a straightforward task. Begin by carefully prying open the key fob casing. Many fobs have a small slot for this purpose. Once open, you'll see a small coin cell battery. Take note of its type, which is frequently a CR2032, and how it's oriented. Remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces the correct direction. Close the fob securely. If you're replacing the entire key fob, it will likely need programming to your Honda CRV. The exact steps can vary slightly by model, but generally involve a sequence of turning the ignition on and off and pressing buttons on the new fob. Ensure all fobs, both old and new, are present during this process. Once the programming sequence is complete, test all functions to confirm the new fob is working correctly with your vehicle. If your key fob isn't working after replacement, start by double-checking the battery. Make sure it's a fresh battery and inserted with the correct positive and negative orientation. Also, inspect the internal components for any loose connections or debris. Sometimes, a simple reseating of the battery or cleaning of contacts can resolve issues. If problems continue, it might be best to consult a Honda dealership or a qualified automotive locksmith for further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.